Three jump splash in the water. Wow, so fun! Frog is very happy. The frog loved the water. Let's count the frogs jump. 1, 2, 3. So big. Splash in the water. 1, 2, 3. Splash in the water. Frog is so happy. Frog loved the water. He's going down. It's time to rest the little frog.